Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Markets. So, one of the most traded currencies in the world, the pound euro. So let's have a chat a bit about that. It is one of the most important currencies right now, I think, to trade. Oh wait, before I begin, Cash App, link in description. My cash tag on the top of the description. Please donate. Any help is very much appreciated. Anyway, so obviously with Brexit completely looming, has been looming for 2 or 3 years now. It's getting everyone's a bit bored, including myself. But one of the good currencies, or one of the currencies to trade, is the pound euro, and how you can profit off that is something that we will talk about in this video. So let's sort of refresh ourselves a bit quickly. So we had the pound euro trading at about 1.428. We had a bit of a run up from November 13. Strength in the pound, and quickly a big collapsation after the Brexit vote, just hammered down, and it's obviously gone back to, like, very nearly 2009 level lows. And provided there's no recession just yet, it is obviously still very cheap in my opinion. A lot of people are thinking, oh, maybe we should buy the euro, but I don't think people are understanding it. Maybe you should watch some of my Brexit videos in the top right hand corner as to why Europe is failing, and maybe you should look at the opposite way. So a pound euro is probably one of the best trades going to be of the next century, the next decade. Mark my words in this one. Actually, a pound there will be a good rally in the pound back towards 1.34 level, in my opinion. It won't be now; it will be within the next decade. But as a trader, the good thing to look at, or something to look for, is when we do decide, when Brexit basically does officially happen, there will be a big carnage in the pound, because a lot of people feel that obviously UK leaving is a bad and a mistake. But in reality, in the future, UK will become a bit more like Singapore, in the sense that, UK, look, imagine this, right? In the whole of Europe, the UK is the biggest financial hub in Europe. Now, not everybody's going to start speaking French or German the next day, right? So the companies that are saying that they're going to move abroad, leave London, are clearly just using that as a negotiation play to try and get a trader that they want, or try and get a deal that they want. So yeah, they will move, and they are moving. Obviously, things are slowing down currently, but they are moving some jobs, but more sort of back office roles. But front office roles, client speaking roles, they're gonna leave them in London, because London is the international business language. English is, which is spoken in London. So the idea would be is to sit tight, potentially maybe take a mini short against the euro. See some retracement back after we get the deal off, because it will probably likely be a sort of a default deal, or a really modest deal that people will not think is a benefit to the UK. Let that play out, get the sort of decline that we need, and then get in heavy in the pound euro and hold it for probably the next half a decade. And obviously, as FX is quite leveraged, you can make good money on it. I'm not really an FX sort of guy, but I do make macro calls on currencies, and that's what I like to do. So I follow, rather than I follow the fundamentals of the economy and the future positioning, and then base my money on that. So yeah, I thought it'd be a great idea to just have a bit chat about it, because everybody talks about forex and everyone wants to trade forex, all the retail investors. So this is one of the plays that I am thinking about, and I potentially will put on soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.